Hello everyone. So as you must have seen, Kali dropped the new version of OS, which is 2025.4, and there is a new undercover mode which is called as Halloween, which looks quite nice. So today's video is going to be quite short, and I will quickly show you how to enable the Halloween mode. So by default, if you come here and say undercover, it will go to a Kali undercover mode, which looks like Windows system, right? And this was what came in last time during Halloween. And this time under Kali Undercover, if you see, if I just run Kali Undercover, it will basically disable Kali Undercover. But if I run Kali Undercover again, Kali dash undercover, and then I say minus minus Halloween, you can see that it will change the theme to Halloween, and it will also change your bash prompt and this to this, right? So if I open a new terminal, you can see that the new terminal has a Halloween theme. And this is my, I guess, bash shell. No, this is ZSH. But if I run bash, bash also will have a Halloween theme. Both ZSH and bash will have a Halloween theme. And this is the wallpaper that you will get this with this Halloween theme, which looks quite nice and interesting. So enjoy your Halloween and Christmas. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy Halloween. Thank you all.